Hey there everyone, it's me Zakaria Johnny from the channel Unboxing Superhuman. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. This is my first content which is super close to my heart and I'm sure you'd be able to resonate with me. When I was in the boarding school, I was perhaps the shortest kid in my class. অ্যাসেম্বলিতে আমাকে একদম সামনের সারিতে জুনিয়রদের সাথে দাঁড়াতে হতো, শুধুমাত্র আমার হাইট কম থাকার কারণে। বাস্কেটবল খেলা বেশ পছন্দ করতাম, কিন্তু সবার খেলা শেষ না হওয়া পর্যন্ত সাইডলাইনে দাঁড়িয়ে থাকতাম জাস্ট একটু প্র্যাকটিস করার জন্য। মাই পিয়ার্স unknowingly used to mock me for my height. Just imagine the pressure on a kid at class 5. I used to do a lot of stretching just to improve my height. আমার বাবা মাও বেশ ওয়ারিড ছিল আমি কেন বাবা চাচাদের মতো লম্বা হচ্ছি না, which made me believe that I was not good enough. Like my story, I'm sure there are thousands of stories which made you believe you lack something. That's how we grow up with a lot of misconceptions and complexities about who we are. Bullying is something that is not limited to school and college, but we also experience in adulthood, including corporate life. All the hurtful things that we get to hear from friends and families. যেমন এই রংটা তোর সাথে যায় না, অমুকের মেলি ভয়েস, তমুকের দাঁত উঁচু, এর চুল কম তো নাক বোচা, আর বডি শেপ নিয়ে তো হাজারো কমেন্টস। এছাড়াও আমরা বুঝে না বুঝে অনেক ইনসেনসিটিভ কমেন্ট করে থাকি রিগার্ডিং রিলেশনশিপ চ্যালেঞ্জেস, ফ্যামিলি প্ল্যানিং, সেপারেশন অফ প্যারেন্টস, ফাইন্যান্সিয়াল অ্যান্ড সোশ্যাল স্ট্যাটাস অ্যান্ড মেনি মোর. As time goes by, we start believing all this and then we start bullying ourselves, which is self-destructive. We live in a consumer society, which means they need you to buy stuff. They are constantly telling you one way or other that you are not enough, like you are not fair, you got pimple, you are short, you are too skinny or bulky, you got gray hair, you are bald, because any imperfection is good for business. We are so much exposed to these lies, we start believing we are not enough. We get that empty feeling because we think we are not blessed with everything we need. If we do not have the right job, right relationship, right lifestyle within a certain time frame, we assume we are not good enough. Maybe you also repeatedly telling yourself, I am not good looking or smart, I am not skilled, I am not capable, I am not talented, I am not worthy at all. According to psychology, this is not a feeling, rather a thought. The source of your thought is basically an inner critic. We got so caught up comparing with everyone else's highlight moments, especially on the social media like Facebook, IG, Snapchat, YouTube, TikTok or whatnot. Comparison is the thief of all joy. That's why we sometimes struggle with insecurities. Remember that you are walking your own path. Stop seeking validation and approval from others. Ignore what others are doing and achieving in life. Your life is about breaking your own limits and outgrowing yourself to live your best life. Follow your heart, intuition, and your own path. Remember, your scars or wounds that you have or you think you have are the symbol of your strength. A scar is a beautiful reminder that you are stronger than your wounds. Be proud of the scars that life has left you with. Accept them and appreciate the lesson you learned. Never give up on yourself. Keep trying. Remind yourself every time you catch yourself being negative towards yourself. Trust the process. You will get there. Our thinking creates our reality. You need to think it and believe that you are enough. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. If you focus on all the reasons why you are not good enough and continue to do something within your comfort zone, you never truly live enough. Believe me, you are enough with all your imperfection and flaws. It's the society who has taught us to be perfect. But Almighty never discriminates between perfects and imperfects. Perfection never exists. Now, let me reintroduce yourself. You are Almighty's highest form of creation. You are way more than think you are. You are the center of the universe. You are so unique that there is no one like you. In your natural state, you are glorious being. You are what you have been looking for. You are who you want to be, and there is no person on the planet today who has the unique set of gifts that you have. Actually, there has never been and there will never be. Your capacity to love others is limited only by your capacity to love yourself. Therefore, love and accept yourself unconditionally. Individuality makes diversity. Individuality and diversity are the two most precious things on the planet. Love yourself, accept yourself, and then transform yourself to be your better version. Remember, it has a direct connection with your happiness, fulfillment, and success. So, wake up and be 100% yourself. Your life has to be your unique message. Stop living someone else's life and master the art of being yourself. It's not easy, it takes time. Fake it till you make it a habit.